Extra skater on for Nashville. Nick Bonino into the Colorado zone. Another save by Hammond. Rebound, score, but it is waved off. The goal is waved off. Rantanen with the puck, spinning in the far corner. Rantanen finds McKinnon, zigzags towards the net, feeds Landeskog, who scores! What a play by Nathan McKinnon! Landeskog.
And Hartnell to Yarncrook, centered in front. It comes free, Subban trying to get himself a little room, backhands it towards the net, got it blocked, picked up 2-on-1 the other way. Comfort coming in, he's got a man with him, he shoots, save, goal! Avalanche take the lead, 2-1 with 1:28 to go.
Icing. Hammond keeps it away from Arvidsson. Rene to the bench. Extra skater on for Nashville. Johansson across. What a save by Hammond. And the puck.
Back win. And they will extend this series, Game 6 in Denver on Sunday night.
That's a tough one. That's a crushing blow at the end of that hockey game. The dramatic first goal by the Predators, and then the Avalanche.